guys, so I'm gonna be rating Godzilla Kaijus from S tier to F tier. Let's start. Okay, Heisei Godzilla. I mean, honestly, he is a good Godzilla. I mean, I like the fact that he can send electricity straight back right into Mechagodzilla. And that's pretty cool, so I'll put him in A tier. Me, S tier. It's me. What do you expect? Okay, Singular Point Rodan. I mean, it is alright. I don't like how the juvenile is bigger than the adult, but so B tier. Okay, weak. Okay, so this one is Destoroyah. I mean, it's alright, so I'll put him in B tier. 1955 Anguirus. Jeez. He's pretty old, and I like the classics, so, yep. So far, nothing has gone below the C tier. That's funny. Okay. Now we have Color Showa Anguirus. I mean, I'll put him in B tier because they're kind of the same. Final Wars Anguirus. Okay. Hey, I love him because it kind of made like a soccer game in Final Wars, so A tier. Singular Point Anguirus. C tier because I mean, I like the idea of deflecting bullets. Next is Hedorah. I mean, the acid is alright, but it does make for some terrible scenes in the movie, so I'll put him in C tier. Actually, yeah. Okay. It's one of those creatures. Since I don't really know much about it, it's D tier. Whew, I'm wasting my breath. Zilla, absolute terrible. F tier. That's the first one. That is the worst Godzilla of all time. Yeah. Okay, Baby Godzilla. A tier. I mean, he's adorable. You can't say he's not adorable. Oh, I kind of screwed up the tier list. Okay, we have this guy. He's cute and scary. So B tier. I think this one's from 2001. Oh, my fan is loud. I'll move. Okay. So, I mean, since it's from 2001, it's kind of the same. Next, we put him in the same tier. Batra. I mean, the idea of working with Mothra, I'll put him in before this man, because, yeah. Same tier, because Larva. Oh my god. How many Heisei Godzillas are there? Gee. Behemoth. Woo. He's kind of like the mammoth version of Kong. That's funny. Biolante. I mean, Biolante's alright. I don't like the idea of a plant monster specifically, so yeah. I'll put him, I don't know, in C tier. Oh yeah, it's that big Rodan. I mean, I'll put him in B tier. Because, I mean, size doesn't really help him much, so yeah. Size barely helps. That's the adult, and that is the giant one. Okay. We'll put this one in D tier. I think it's a crab monster. I think that one's like, I don't remember the name. Okay, Destoroyah, main form. I'll put him in C tier. I mean, he's decent. I'm the only one in S tier. The classic S tier. I mean, come on. Classics are best. Wait, that was a juvenile? Because this one I'll put in the same tier. And we have another classic, A tier. I love the classics. Burning Godzilla. That is fire. S tier. There's 3 kaijus in S tier. Oh my. Dorat. Cute. That's not even a monster. S tier. That is literally so terrible. Okay. The squid monster from the anime of Godzilla. Yeah. Let's just put him in B tier because he has so many tentacles. Why does he need that many? Okay. Burning Godzilla, aka me. S tier. I mean, look at him. Just look at him. You can't say no to that. Me again. S tier. Actually, A tier. I don't want to do that again. Okay, we have our lobster man. Ebra the lobster. Or C tier. Right before. Yep. Just put him. I want to eat him. He looks so delicious. Okay. Osudaya. B tier. Actually. Yep. Very good. Very. I like that Showa Godzilla is just like, yeah, and then there's like something back there. Okay, fake Godzilla. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. F tier. Muto, female. Why did I have to fight this monstrosity? Alright. Muto, I'll give it the honor of the front of D tier. Okay. Final Wars Godzilla. That's one of my favorite Godzillas of all time. S tier. I like my brother. Heisei Rodan. A tier. I mean, he's decent. I'm gonna put... How many of these? Okay. Flying creature. There. Hedorah. The top of D tier. Oh my. You know what? You get the second spot. Okay, what is that? I have no idea. Oh, that's the baby me. Since it's me as a baby, I'll put it in B tier. There. Adorable. Gabara. How about I put him in B for bully? Me. This was when I was younger, so yep. There I go. Ooh. Ooh. I need a break. Done. Alright, Heisei. Another. And then, yeah. Turkey Rodan. Love turkey. I like to eat turkey. Yum. Look at what this tier list has come to. It started as an A tier Heisei, now it's this. Okay, Black Thingy. No. Weird Octopus. Ew. That's actually ugly. I'll put it at the top of the F tier. What is that? I'm just gonna put it in C tier. I don't even know what it is. Gigan! Alright, Gigan, you get C tier. There. Final Wars Gigan. I love it. I mean, like, it's more slim. The hook's kind of like a scythe, which I'll reduce it for, but B tier. Love it. Just love it. Okay, Millennium. That era was alright. Okay, Millennium has like an orange atomic breath, which is very nice. I like it. I mean, you know what? I'll just give him the honor of A tier. 2001 Godzilla. Eyes are pure white. Very evil. Atomic breath mushroom cloud. You know what? B tier. Absolute beautiful. Okay. Aquatilus singular points. I'll put him in C tier. I mean, okay. Now we have Amphibious. It's kind of like a frog that's growing up, So I'll put him at somewhere in the bottom of B tier. Okay, Godzilla. Beautiful. Look at that shot. That is beautiful. A tier. Amphibious. The sun, so I'll put him slightly lower. There. Almost fully grown up junior. I'll put him in A tier for almost. There. Beautiful. Okay. Hey, the new Heisei Godzilla. We'll put him in the front of A tier. It's the new Heisei. Yeah. Okay, Terrestrialist. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. He's green. He's more kind of like those, reptiles that can kind of stand up, if there are any. It's kind of like a dinosaur had a baby with, an alligator. Except much bigger. And also nuclear. So, B tier for... Alright. Ultima. Love the atomic breath. Just love it. Absolutely love it. I love the rings for the atomic breath. Just love it. So, S tier. Okay. Gorosaurus. A tier. It's kind of a dinosaur. Okay, 1955 Godzilla. It's kind of ugly in that shot, so I'll put him in D tier out of his misery. Okay, next is the Flying Kumonga. Since I don't like flies, I'll just put him in D tier. Another Hedorah. All the Hedorahs go here. Okay, so, yep, you go there. Jet Jaguar, C tier. Jet Jaguar Beta with the spear. Love it. B tier. Okay, pre-beta Jet Jaguar, B tier. Jet Jaguar Alpha, B tier. Yep. You know what? I'll just put that one in C tier. I don't even care. Yep. Okay, so the huge Kumonga. Turtle. I'll put the turtle here. Kaiser Ghidorah. Great fight. Love it, love it, love it. Made such good tension for the movie. Okay, so King Caesar. Pretty good. You know. Like it a lot. B tier, double. Showa Ghidorah. I mean, it's kind of ugly, but it also brings some good tension, so yeah. The bottom of B tier is Gabra for bully. Okay, Heisei Ghidorah. At least I think it's Heisei. C because it's cool. Okay, that looks like Millennium Ghidorah. Wait, what's Ghidorah? I don't know. No, just okay. Anime, B tier, legendary. That was a great fight for me. I don't like it that much though, so pretty much the bottom of A tier. 1954. Yep. Ew. I mean, Kong, you can rest in D tier. Kiryu. I mean, he was alright. Weapons are good. Scars are not. So, yep. Manga, yep. Yep. The main Kumonga and singular points, B tier. Chubby Jr. We'll just put you in B tier. Anyways, that's it for the video. Bye.